In primetime news this evening, Health Minister explains UHWI shakeup as quest for new board begins.
A death toll in Guyana helicopter crash increases.
And heartache in Barrett Hall, St. James, as 5-month-old is thrown from a building. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air online at onespotmedia.com and in the Cayman Islands at TVJ International. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in the financial week. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Janella, a local tech firm has launched what it calls an activity management solution. What's that all about? I'll give the details a little later on in the financial week.
Okay, and Jordan Forth is also here to give us a preview of what's to come in sports. Jordan?
Yeah, Herman, big sports day, schoolboy football finals. We've got the Walker Cup final, the Manning Cup final on today. Of course, the Ben Francis and the Costa Cup finals on tomorrow. Of course, Jamaica learned their opponents in the Copa America tournament. And there's a preview for the West Indies versus England, the third and deciding ODI. I'll have all of that in Primetime Sports Friday.
Sounds like a lot. And here's a preview of what's to come in the weather report and forecast. Romain is here.
Thanks, Janella. Now, today we did have some shower activity across most of the island. Very isolated showers, nothing significant, and we are expecting drier conditions this weekend with stronger winds, especially across sections of the north. I'll have more in the weather report and forecast.
Okay, and there's also sports commentary and E-Prime in the newscast. But before the break, here's our feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what more do you think can be done to help couples deal with disputes?
You can share your comments online at facebook.com/televisionjamaica or tweet on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.